A viewer asks, what is a special needs trust? Hi, Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B, answering another viewer's question. What is a special needs trust? That's a great question. Most professionals would define a special needs trust as a trust or a provision within a trust that sets out certain parameters and protections for a child of a loved one or an heir of a loved one who has cognitive deficiencies or other special needs. The reason for a special needs trust or a provision of special needs within a trust is so that the person giving the money to the individual doesn't accidentally disqualify them from other benefits that they may be receiving. So what happens is a trustee is appointed to help make sure that that doesn't happen. But what about other special needs? We've talked about this. Everybody's plan is unique. What if you have a child who is alcohol or drug dependent? Somebody who doesn't manage money very well? Maybe a minor or a young adult who hasn't reached an age of maturity yet. Oftentimes we encourage folks to break down the distribution in 3 parts at different ages of maturity: 25, 30, 35, education, wedding, new business, so as not to deliver a windfall to a 19 or 20-year-old who then blows all of the money. Again, everybody's unique. There is not a one-size-fits-all estate plan. A trusted individual would be appointed as a trustee, someone you trust to help manage that. And it could be a corporate fiduciary as well. And then that trustee will have the discretion to pay for certain items and deliver those distributions at the ages that you have set out for success. See, it's your plan. It's your wishes, your goals, your aspirations. There is no right or wrong. There is no cookie cutter fill in the blank. Are you looking to create a plan? Well, we've made it easy for you. Below is a link to fill out the pertinent information that we would need. And then the other link is to set up an appointment. Now, bear in mind, this is a no commitment, no fee, no obligation. If it makes sense, we move forward. If it doesn't, we know that you have the information that you need, that everybody needs. And maybe you're one step closer to accomplishing those goals. So click the links below, set up a time, meet with our estates team, and check that box. From now until the end of 2021, we're reducing all of our estate plan packages by 20%. And folks, if you fell upon this video and you enjoy the content, please subscribe to our channel right here and ring the bell for this and all of the videos that are coming. And please share this with everyone and anyone who you think may find value in this information. And remember, whenever you're working with a financial, insurance, tax, real estate, or mortgage professional, and the topic of legal services comes up, we would love to help. Give us a call right here at 781-319-1900. Thank you and be well.